very much. This is Gilbert Otieno. Gilbert plays at the center somewhere in the Boniface Odhiambo. Yes, this is Boniface Odhiambo. Please. Gor Mahia. Please just come around here. Alright, so Odhiambo is in charge of security and assistance. I first of all want to appeal to those players who leave us. We do not intentionally refuse to pay you. We don't pay sometimes because we do not have the money. If we have the money, we will pay. But the amount that we get from the sponsorship is hardly sufficient to pay the salaries and meet the daily operational expenses that we are confronted with.
You have got a young but extremely talented team that, if nurtured and kept together, can go places. We have always had good, talented players, but year in, year out, we lose some players and then bring in new players, and that breaks the rhythm and consistency in the team.